Okay, so we are going to test the flight suit. Got this online. It's supposed to be for a larger bird. It says size XL. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, I've got my trusty Parrot here. Parrot, step up. Yeah, that's Tony. Hello, Tony. Tony has never, he's never tried one of these before. He's not very happy. It has, on the back here, little Velcro. And I guess you put this over his head, and he wears it like a bow tie. And then this you wrap around his back and tail. And it's supposed to keep the poop in. They're called flight suits. So let's see how Tony likes this. What do you think? Tony's a biter, so I'm not totally excited about this. I have it a little bit up here. I don't want it to hurt him. Okay, Tony, we got to put this over your head. Over your head. Yes. Oh, okay, just over your head. Over your... Yeah, look. How about if we go this way? Over your head. And one. Okay. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yay! Okay. Okay. It's on. It's kind of on. At least you have... That wasn't fun, was it? No. No. Okay. So now we got to flip the other part underneath them. Yeah. Okay, so step up. Yeah, step up. And now we got to... We're going to put this underneath your wings. Okay, so that's good. Now can you lift one leg? Yeah, kind of lift. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. All right. Well, this is good. There we go. Okay, so now I gotta lift. Is this torture? Is this torture? Lift. Where does that go? Okay. Okay, now, let's see. Let's see you sporting it. So I guess you can hang out with me now. So we'll see if this works. Say bye-bye. I love you too. I love you. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You gonna say bye-bye? Oh, you sick? Is it the suit that's making you sick? You got a cough? Oh, my goodness. Okay, bye-bye. Okay, so Tony is not so happy with the flight suit. Tony, here. Oh. I mean, I know you kind of walked a little funny anyway, but now you're really walking a little funny, huh? Let's put you on the ground. Kind of get used to it. I'm getting used to it. Does it make you walk funny? Where are you going? Don't go under there. Where'd you go, Goober? What are you doing? pretty sure there's spider webs and stuff under there. Come on out. Tony, don't bite on your flight suit. Come on out. Tone. Are you sad? What's going on? There's dirt and dust under there. Come on out. You want a treat? Are you embarrassed the way you look? Are you embarrassed? Come on out. Tony. Okay, try this again. Well, that's a happy shake. Is that a happy shake? Are you a happy boy? Are you a happy boy? Yes. You got your little flight suit on. We're gonna see how it works. Yeah. See how it works? I don't think I made it tight enough because you're able to pull on it. I don't want to make it too tight though on you. Yes. You a happy boy? Look at all the, oh, you got spider webs on you from being underneath. I'm gonna have to have a bath. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna go show Daddy. Tony with his flight suit. So now I can have Tony hanging out on my good chair while I do laundry. Okay, so we've spent about an hour in the flight suit. Tony, come on. Come on over here. Come on over here. Let's get you out of that thing. Let's see if you pooped in that hour. They say they're supposed to poop like every 15 minutes, so yeah, let's check it out. All right, so let's get you out of this flight suit. What we have to do, oh, you're being very good. Yeah, I'm gonna take off this side. Just really velcro it off, okay? And then, yeah, take off this side. All right, yeah, and slip it all over your head. Yeah, and then take this, and oh my. So, I'm going to say there's quite a bit of poop in here. Okay, look. And so it definitely works. Tony, let me have your foot. Definitely works. How am I going to wash it though? Okay, let's see how your bum looks. Can we see? Does it look dirty? Surprisingly not. Well, you know, I guess a little. Show me your bum. All right. And that is the flight suit.